Hi, we're here at Telecam at NAB, and the product I want to highlight for you this time is their new Vision Plus 4KZ box camera. Now, Telecam is known best for their PTZ cameras and the phenomenal quality that they deliver. But for a lot of applications, people want that rich visual quality, but don't need the automated pan and tilt that comes with a PTZ camera. And that's exactly what this camera is designed for. So for fixed position applications, it has a 20x optical zoom. That's at 4K. You can get that to 40x optical zoom if you're at 1080p. It'll do 4K 60. One of the really unique features of it is it has an integrated control panel right on the side of the unit. So you're not just seeing things like the IP address or any particular status. You can actually control all the camera parameters directly from the side of the camera, as well as from a web user interface or from one of their joystick controllers. So it makes it really easy if you just need to make some quick adjustments on the camera. You don't have to pull out a laptop or anything to be able to do that. On top of all of that, it has built-in recording for interfaces. NDI HX3 also has HDMI and USB. And one of the really fantastic things about it is for mixed environments where you're combining PTZ and fixed position cameras, it uses exactly the same lens and image processor and optics as Telecam's Vision Plus 4K and PTZ cameras. What that means is it makes it really easy to do things like color matching and matching other visual characteristics between cameras. So when you're switching between them, it's a seamless experience for the viewer. Vision Plus 4KZ is brand new this year. It'll be shipping very shortly. And for more information, please visit the Telecam website, telecam.com.